Anvi.
Hi Mahi.
How are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm too good. Hi Anvi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm also fine. Hi Vansita.
Hi.
How are you? Okay.
Tasteful.
Today our topic is about private school versus government school.
So I want to ask what topic of
I want to choose the private school is more better than the government school.
That's you are saying that it's more better than the government school, but maybe you know that Shraddha, the government school, the salary and the fees means the fees of the students is low, but the salary of the teachers is high. Am I right?
We are not talking about the salary. We are talking about the student, how the student is getting the education.
That's my depends that how the students and the teachers are caring.
The teachers of the government school are seeing the phone and they are not teaching.
Mahi, it is not sure that the teachers are teaching or not. Because
You have seen you have go in the government school.
yeah.
I have also gone. I have seen that the students are not studying. The teachers are seeing the phone.
From the 100%, 10% schools of the government are like that. I'm not saying that there are no schools like that. They are, but not every of the school. Do you know? I went to a school. It was just like government school. It was government school. But do you know the teachers was caring of the students' study and all.
They are caring. Some schools teachers are caring. Now, if we talk about 100%, so 10% student. It means 10% teachers are teaching and caring too much.
That's Mahi. I'm not saying that the teachers are caring in every of the school. But you can see to the private school, few of the private, no, it's not few, means many of the are like that. You can see our school, means that the language is wow good, but in other of the private school, what is happening? They are speaking rural language. Do you observed it?
Yeah, I have observed, but only 10%. Now, 90% students are talking in English.
Same as it, the government school is also.
And we would just say that the language and education, first of all, listen to me that in private school, the facilities and the education is more high with the government.
It doesn't matter on the facilities. Means yeah, it matters to the facilities. Facilities are in the government school.
How? In this time,
Do you know?
see-
Firstly, before there was more and more government school.
in private or government, when we compare the private and government, in private school, the students of the teacher or the student, they both are the very intelligent. We compare the government teacher or private teacher. In private teacher, they are teaching English to English. They are talking English to English. Like in Sankat Mochan Academy, the Akash sir. You can take the example of Akash sir. He is speaking all time English. Why? He is interesting in spoken. He
But
always
Shraddha, it is not the topic only about one teacher or two teacher. It is not the topic about one student or two students.
Have you seen the Kangsha ma'am and any teachers like in female? You have seen that they are speaking too much English.
Yeah, I have seen that.
If we compare
Mami, it is not the topic. It is not the topic about only our own school. It is the topic about every of the school.
That is the problem of that school now. If we talk about our school, the teachers.
Our school is private. Our school is private.
Yeah.
Na?
Yeah.
But do you have done your study in government school?
No.
I have also not. But one thing you have observed.
I have seen in my village there is the school of government.
Mahi,
school.
it's just like that primary school, which we have
Yeah.
we have to not focus on it. It is the government school, but it is not just like that higher school. Maybe you have seen the higher school of the government, that how much facilities they have. They have more facilities than our school.
Yeah.
And Mahi, it is not the topic about only one school. It is the topic about every of the school.
You are talking about every school now. If we compare our school with that before this point to say that the student of private school are speaking rural languages. How can you say that the student of the private school are speaking rural language? Because I see few student na. It means 100% there are no, not few student. 90%. It can not happen that the 90% student can speak rural language. Only friend of principal or teacher they are not speaking. But I can see in our school also in buses. and they are speaking with their friends also.
You know the teacher are very strict with the side of the children. They all the children.
So they are not speaking in front of the teacher because they are strict.
Yeah, there is that's why they are not speaking, na. That is the problem. In government, they are don't fear with the teacher. Students are don't fear with the teacher. But
Shraddha, 1 minute. You said that the students are not frightened of the teachers. But one thing maybe you have observed in your bus, the students how much talk. They never obey their teachers. Maybe you have observed.
if we talk about the student, the student are not fright. They are not feeling fearless on government school student.
You said fearless, yeah. They're not feeling fearless.
They are afraid.
They're afraid now. The
Yeah.
same thing I'm saying that they're afraid of the teachers. You said that they are afraid of the
We
teachers.
are talking about the study, how they are getting the education or how they are
it
how
never
their
depends.
behavior or manner is.
It never depends on that.
If you are going to any job to give the interview, so what you will do?
Mostly
If your language or manner is not good.
Listen to me also. One thing you have means one thing you have seen. More of the offices are of the government.
Yeah.
More of the schools are of the government.
No.
Yeah.
There are 100% schools and 20. I can believe only 20% schools are government.
Mahi, one thing you have not observed. When will you go to any of the place, you will see one and only government school. Means that do you know you can see our bajna?
There are many schools and public school near our school. There is
One thing you listen.
a school. That school is also private school. How can you say?
UP board is private school or not?
Yeah.
But what is the
There are two medium, na English medium and Hindi medium.
maybe you can, but the one thing you listen carefully and just please don't disturb me in my topic. That's one thing maybe you have not seen. From the 100%, there are 60% of the government. Do you know at the before time also it was the just like that government school, not more private school, and you can see in every of the society there are more and more
The government
schools. In the government school the students can be get their education means in few of the fees, and in the private school the salary is that much high that no one can say.
In Delhi or any state or city, we see that government school is, it means PG to class 12th, yeah. If we talk about the village, so there is 1 to 5th.
1 to 5th, not my.
Yeah.
It is 1 to 8.